Alright, Rob Frazier and Nico the bird here. I don't know if you can see it in the video. He's on my shoulder. The only way I can keep the bird quiet while I do a video from the house. Hopefully I can do this video without getting pooped on by a dang bird. Anyways, so talking about Textbot, which is one of the programs in the multiple income funnel. Multiple income funnel is basically one of the main programs I'm going to be promoting here in 2021. Just putting it out there. Textbot is one of the programs within it. Within the multiple income funnel, you got 4 main programs. Textbot is like the 3rd program, it's the 3rd program. Made $1,000 with Textbot to date. Not the most money in the world, but it is a little bit of money. But the thing is with Textbot, it's not just that it's an opportunity or an income stream, but it has real-world functionality. I am at the Ava Plus membership, and so what that simply means is you can have multiple numbers. And I'm sure you've seen these things. Hey, text, I don't know, blase to this number for a 10% discount, or text coach to whatever this number is for, there's a lot of stuff that happens like that. Also with, even my wife, she's an optometrist, and she has a texting, I don't manage her texting software, but she has it for her business. Text patients when their upcoming appointment is, reminders, different things like that. And the reason I'm saying this is, it's all around, and I'm sure you have encountered this in your life in different places. And so including it in affiliate marketing is a great thing to do as well. It's just another way to touch your leads and to connect with them. And within the back office here, you can actually text your people, and I've been doing it. That's just an easy way to hop in the back office, type it, but text, send it to your people you're talking to, and just have a conversation. The whole point is to, email marketing sometimes can be hit or miss, but with texting, you have a higher percentage of people who at least open the text messages. And I think there's some stats out there saying up to 94% of texts are open within 3 or 4 minutes. Don't quote me on that, because I don't, I've seen that stat thrown around quite a lot, but I don't know exactly where it came from. But that being said, I joined Textbot way back when they first started coming into being. Jeff Long is the CEO. He's been working closely with a guy named Franco Gonzalez, and they're constantly working on the marketing for it. So how I promote this is I use the multiple income funnel. I also use the Power Lead system as well. Franco Gonzalez actually created a couple of share codes that promote Textbot. So if you have the Power Lead system, you put in the share code, and then you can promote Textbot in Power Lead system. Also working with another guy named Bones Rodriguez. He did the same deal. He basically combined Textbot with Power Lead system, and also has a way for you to promote your primary business as well. So you can promote the 3. Why you'd want to include Textbot? In my opinion, it's just another way to touch your leads, and the bird's just going to constantly be chirping here because I'm talking elevated, trying to do the video, and every time I do that, he has to chime in. Anyways, I think I'm going to get an office outside the house somewhere and go there, because that's the only way I can get stuff done sometimes. But anyway, I use it. It's just another way to connect with your leads. It's so nice to also use Ava, the little Textbot deal. It's the little robot, automated autoresponder, but it's very interactive. It's just a great way to sort your leads. And also, whenever you send out an email and you have a phone number in the subject line, I learned this from Franco Gonzalez, every time he sends out an email, he has the email subject line plus a phone number. That instantly, I always look at it. amid all of the 10,000 emails I get on a daily basis, I see that phone number and I'm like, yeah. And again, this is a great thing to incorporate into your marketing. You get Textbot, even at the $100 level, and you can start using this in your business. And whenever you send out an email, you put in your phone number there. People will text the phone number or call it, and it'll start Ava. She'll have a conversation with your lead, and basically you can find out what your lead is looking for, if they want more information, things like that. And then by the time you get the lead, you know that this person is for real interested and not just somebody who put in a fake email in your capture page, which happens all the freaking time. So, that being said, it's really challenging to try to do a video with birds and stuff on your shoulder. But wife and kid are out of town, so if it wasn't the bird, it would be the kid. If it's not the kid, it's going to be the dog. If it's not, you get the point. So yeah, we have a couple of share codes for Textbot. Textbot Power Lead System here, Textbot Power Lead System here, and then the multiple income funnel as well. And Textbot helps me promote the multiple income funnel. Also, a couple other things. Aweber users. If you're using Aweber doesn't like work from home opportunities, not as much as GetResponse anyway. But if you if you want to use Aweber, my suggestion, use Aweber with the Power Lead System and Textbot. I use this share code right here, and then when people come down here, click on my primary business, it'll take them to a bridge page that I created. Matter of fact, I'll just click on it just so you can see what that looks like. And this bridge page is just a small video of me talking about some stuff I've been through. And then this link right here goes to the multiple income funnel. So, and when I do that, I can get around Aweber hating, for lack of a better term, on multiple income funnel. So I can still use my Aweber account. I'm just kind of taking a longer route to do so. And I use GetResponse too, because I'm a nut when it comes to my marketing. GetResponse, you can pretty much email any sort of work from home opportunity. Aweber, you gotta, sometimes they just don't like certain opportunities. But using this bridge page trick, and this link right here goes straight to my multiple income funnel replicated link. My emails have gone through and my account hasn't been blocked. I had my Aweber account shut down like 3 or 4 times. I fought to get it back every single time. But doing it this route, they don't have an issue with. So hopefully they don't come across this video. If they do, I'm going to have to change. But you get the point. So that being said, also with the multiple income funnel, what I've put together for it, I've put together my own fast start training. Looks very similar to this right here. And I've put together a perpetual traffic plan as well. So it's basically everything that I'm doing right now to build an affiliate marketing business. And if you are interested in all that, the link will be in the description of this video. Or if you're watching this video in an email, the link below will take you there. Again, if you join me in Power Lead System, or even if you're a Power Lead System member, you join Textbot, you join Power Lead System, you have multiple different sponsors, whatever, it's all the same. Reach out to me, I'll give you those share codes. This right here is, again, created by Bones. You can do Power Lead System, Textbot, your primary business. This share code just promotes Textbot on the Power Lead System page. Multiple income funnel combines it all in one system, but it's still the same thing. We promote different opportunities, and sometimes we repackage them. It's just like people who sell flowers. You don't want to buy a flower. I'll put the flower in a nice special vase, and I'll sell the flower in a vase. If you don't want the flower in a vase, I'll put it in a nice special flower pot and sell you that. It's the same concept with affiliate marketing. So sometimes you just got to take what you're doing, spruce it up a little bit, repackage it, and send it on out there. And that's exactly what this is, and that's exactly what we're doing. We get the flexibility to do that with the Power Lead System, these share codes, multiple income funnel. That being said, links are below. Name's Rob Frazier. Nico here as well, been chiming in. We'll see you in the next video.